Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is February 2nd, and this is your aftermarket update. So we had a much easier go at it today than we did yesterday. If you were in the trade room yesterday, or if you read the email and watched the video, then you know that we had some technology challenges yesterday that really caused not only some technology challenges for our guests and room members, but also was cause of a bit of a distraction for me personally. We had a couple of losing trades yesterday. We came back with that really nice long winning trade. If you haven't seen the video, go back here on the website and take a look at yesterday's video. You'll kind of get a feel for what I'm talking about. But today was much simpler. Today was much easier. It wasn't without a little bit of bad luck, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. But it was a much easier trading day. So let's talk about what happened here. First of all, we're going to take a look at our market trend indicator. This was a previous market trend indicator. This is the one that we actually took. The market comes down through the signal entry. This, by the way, was at 740. So this was before we had spent any time together. Market comes down, gives you the signal entry, this yellow bar, and then the market begins this process of coming down. Now, this is not the entry that we took. We waited for this thing to pull back into the secondary entry. Typically speaking, it's the secondary entry that gives you the best opportunity. And so I got short here at 94. Market comes down, then rallies back up, takes me out at break even, and then the market comes back up and gives me a second shot here at it at 94. And this is the one that we took. Now, target 7 down here today was 53.30. What we talked about in the trading room is coming down and trying to reach out for target 6, which was 53.40, and then the market goes through and eventually comes down all the way through target 6 here at 53.39. Now, I'll tell you why it was a little bit of bad luck. So we had this all picked out properly. I'll tell you why it was a little bit of bad luck. In addition to that market trend indicator, we did have a revision mid here, and so my entry was 94, and as you'll see in the video, this trail stop, or the actual initial stop, is 8 ticks. So we were looking at an 8-tick stop and a 54-tick target, right? So that's almost a 7-to-1 risk-reward ratio, right? So we had an 8-tick stop and a 54-tick target. Well, the market comes down, gets down to 52. We were just almost there, and then I'm bringing the trail stop down here at 30 ticks to 64. The market comes right to 64, and in the same 3-minute bar that it takes me out at 64, it comes all the way down to 35. So again, that's the little bit of bad luck that I was telling you about. Came all the way down just after it stopped me out to the tick. Now, you may say to yourself, well, there's a revision target there. Why didn't you put the stop above that? And I could have, but I was still remembering yesterday's difficulties. I was remembering yesterday's challenges, and I wanted to make sure 30 ticks is a nice pop. That's an even on 2 lots, right? That's 30 ticks a lot for 30 ticks per lot total, for a total of 60 ticks rather, and that's what you see here today. So we had the 2 trades. One broke off at winning trade. The other one was the break-even trade, and again, that was this particular trade here. So it was a good trade, and I didn't want to give too much back, but having said that, there was an additional 24 ticks down to the target of 40. So a little bit of bad luck, right? So what could have been a monster trade today was just a really nice, handsome trade. So we'll take that as well. So I'm going to let you watch the video. It was originally 17 minutes in length. I cut it down to about 3.5 minutes, sped it up, put some music behind it, and I'll let you watch just how it went. So without further ado, here is the OTG trade of the day. I am looking short right here again. One more time. I'm in short at 94. The stop here is 02 is the stop. All right, so you can see there right at the end that we did get taken out to the tick right up here at 64 in the same bar that the market moved all the way down to our target. So it was a good trade. Could have been a little bit better, but we're not going to complain. It's been a nice, we've had a nice week here despite some of the technical issues that we dealt with yesterday. So as always, I want to say thank you for spending time watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And until next time, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.